do a couple videos to it all the time.
Every day, know what I'm saying?
What it is, how it is, nigga.
Almost pocketed my niggas lighter though.
It's all good though. You know, I always need a lighter cause I'm trying to get higher. All your shit is old, all your shit expired. I'm coming through, nigga, my goons wearing black like a tire. I came through, nigga, hella fucking higher. I'm getting on my dough, I'm getting this shit fast, never get it slow. My money always grow. Understand I'm spitting all these fucking flows, cause that's the way that I get these fucking hoes. Cause I get dough and I get my fucking cash. I'm all about my dough, I'm all about my fucking cash. Young niggas gon' trip, I'ma make the gun blast. I make sure your niggas end up in a fucking cast. Trying to talk on a real nigga, it's gonna be bad. I'ma start pulling all these triggers. I'ma let y'all niggas know how it is. I really do this shit, I do this shit legit.
And I'm on the block, on the hunt for the guap. Niggas know I don't stop. Out here trying to get it daily. Niggas in the hood call me shady. Where I'm from, shit getting crazy. Catch a couple bodies every year in the fucking town. Niggas already know what it's about. Stockton 209, that's on mine, I'm finna ride. Out here, my niggas do it all the time. Anywhere, any place, and we won't leave a trace. Niggas already know we ain't trying to catch a case. No, we out here trying to be in first place on this paper chase. Yeah, we out here running it like it's a race. Niggas already know we doing what it takes. Bitch niggas I eliminate for being fake, cause you already know I'm just trying to get more cake.
You know what it is? I'm trying to make more money, I'm trying to make more cake. I'm trying to do, nigga, whatever it fucking takes. Take y'all niggas out the way if you trying to fuck with my fucking wapale. All I understand from the fiends is I'ma pay. So I come through, nigga, with the fucking good shit. I let him know I hook him up with this fucking shit. And these niggas come back and get some more shit. You know what I'm talking about, that Chris, that good shit. These niggas come back for this, cause they be fiending for that shit. They come through screaming, but it's good cause my money is stacking. And I just come through rapping. I'm trying to get my money so I can make it happen. But I don't spit it on the mic, I freestyle this shit on my motherfucking mind. I don't write my fucking raps. Understand it's freestyle fucking raps. Y'all niggas whack, you can get smacked. Nigga, when my goons come around the block, it's gonna be fucking bad. I got my fucking Glock. Y'all niggas get shot off my fucking spot. Trying to take my knocks, trying to sell my rocks. Nigga, you know what it is, we just knock you off. We always high, we never fucking sober. I will knock your fucking head off your fucking shoulders. Cause my niggas goons, my niggas had a colder. All y'all niggas bad, all y'all niggas had a older. All my niggas is young fucking G's, trying to get the fucking green by whatever fucking means. Understand my motherfucking gangster terms, you better learn. All I do is get money, that's what the fuck I earn. All the fucking herb, that's all I fucking burn. And when it gets bad, I hit the fucking curve. Trying to get away from the high-speed chase, trying to fucking eliminate all these bitch niggas out the game.
Okay. Yeah, we out here trying to ball in a major way, get money every day. That's the motherfucking motto. And niggas know I drink it out the bottle. When I dump, we hitting full throttle. Cause you already know we saying fuck the cops. A nigga just trying to recop and do it non-stop. I'm trying to do it for my niggas, trying to do it for the fam. So I'm out here on the block selling grams. Still do it in the motherfucking trap or on the motherfucking go. Cause you niggas already know. Hustling ass nigga, all I know is get dough. So I'm out here just trying to get mo.
Yeah, you're never gonna stop, nigga. Ain't no stopping to this shit, nigga. You know how it is. Daily basis on the hood, rocking with my steel. The shit I do is so so motherfucking real. Pop you niggas down like a motherfucking pill. Shoot you down with this 40, make sure you never heal. You always gonna be sitting down in that bed, cause it's gonna be bad, we gon' shoot you in the head. It's all bad once you see the fucking bullet spread. Guarantee it's gonna be bad, you end up dead. And it's over.